How much is the product? Just rupees 199 and got 9 products. These are the products. दिल को करार आया. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those of who all are new here, hi, I am Prakrati, and for those who keep on watching my videos, say hi to my new look and do let me know in the comments down below कि आपको कैसा लगा this new haircut and the new look. So for today's video I am back again with yet another Smytten haul video. Like the last time I posted the Smytten haul, like the review and stuff जिसमें मैंने trial points use करके sample products लिए थे. So you guys ended up liking that video a lot, so I thought why not make the part 2 of that video, because जब मैंने check out किया था तो I converted the cashback points जो 199 वापस मिलते हैं, so I converted those into another 6 trial points. So this time again I purchased some sample products जो कि मुझे try करने थे, but the difference this time is that I didn't spend any more additional amount. Like last time checkout पे कुछ amazing products थे तो I spent some more and got them, but this time I spent just rupees 199 and got 9 products. Yes, so it's gonna be really exciting. And before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, तो क्या कर रहे हो यार? Subscribe to my channel. And yes, without wasting much time, let's just dive straight into the video. So yes, before beginning with this video, let me just show कि मुझे products कैसे receive हुए थे. So I got this in this like regular cardboard box जो कि last time में मुझे मिला था, and Smytten is written all over. So basically these are the products that I'll be showing in this video. So there are a lot of products. So I received these products within a week. Like आपको 4 to 5 working days में आराम से receive हो जाएगा. Like obviously depending on your location where you live. And yeah, it was like really hassle free and everything. Because these are trial products, so return policy I don't think कि इनके पास कुछ है. But yes, if you receive some damaged products, so you can definitely write them a mail which is mentioned in their app. So yeah, that's that about the return thing and stuff. So let's just begin with this video. So the first product that I'll be showing you guys is this foot cream from the brand Plum. So this is how it looks, and it is in the variant coffee, and the name is Vecchino. So yeah, it has a really interesting name, I must tell you. So it is from their body loving range, and yeah, as the name suggests, it's in the fragrance coffee. So let me just sniff it. Yeah, it does smells like coffee, like real coffee beans. Yeah, it's really refreshing, and coffee किसको नहीं पसंद होती यार. So yeah, it's like definitely really good. It's like the amount, its net weight is 20 grams, and like retailing and everything, I don't think there's any mention of that. So yes, I got this for 1 trial point, and मैंने इनकी site पे देखा था ये काफी, and I definitely wanted to try this. So yeah, I got my hands on this. So the second product is basically a sleeping mask, and it is from this brand Mama Earth, and it's their vitamin C sleeping mask. So yes, this is how it comes in a cardboard box, and once you open it, there's a tub inside. So basically these are mini versions of the larger variants, जो कि obviously these are trial products, so yes, these are mini versions of that. So this is how the tub looks from inside. It's a 15-gram tub, and ये almost similar है of what you get in the larger variant. So this is how the product looks inside. It's a clear gel sort of a thing, and it has a very mild fragrance, I must tell you. Like it will not give any headache or anything of that sort. So yeah, let me just test इसका क्या है. Oh, it is a gel sort of a thing, gel consistency, and yeah, it absorbs quite quickly and it gives a really matte finish. Yes, so this is how it looks. मैंने apply किया, and I think वो दिख भी नहीं रहा होगा. So yes, it gives a pretty matte finish, and I'm really excited to try this क्योंकि ये काफी hype में था जब ये launch हुआ था. अब तो काफी time हो गया. But yes, it was a really hyped product and talked about जब इसकी launch हुई थी. So this one retails, yeah, क्योंकि ये 15 ग्राम है तो this one is for 99 rupees. But yes, इसका आपको ट्रायल पैक सेपरेटली उनकी वेबसाइट पे भी नहीं मिलेगा as far as I know. So इन्होंने बस मेंशन किया है 99 rupees, but I don't think कि आपको मिलेगा. So yes, this one also I got for 1 trial point only. So the next product is a sunscreen, and like before telling you कि ये कौन सी है basically sunscreen, like I have tried 4 to 5 sunscreens before this, and I have been wanting to try a sunscreen since a long time, like a different sunscreen, because I've shown like Nivea, Blossom Culture, and I've even tried La Shield, Lakme. So yes, I wanted to try some other like variant of the sunscreen from another brand. So this time I got my hands on the sunscreen from the brand Plum, and this is how it looks. It's also in the trial variant, and I got this for one trial point only, and it is like SPF 35 with PA triple plus, so that's a really good thing, and it's meant for combination oily acne prone skin, and that's what I have, like combination skin. So yeah, it's like really apt for my skin type, and I have heard really great things about this sunscreen. So yeah, I'm like really excited, and I was intrigued to try this, but yes, I have got my hands on it, so I'll try, definitely I'll try this. And talking about the fragrance, oh, there's like this, like it's sealed, so I'll just open this. I don't think it'll have any fragrance. Oh, it smells like green tea because it's in this green tea range only. It's from this green tea range. So yes, and it retails, yeah, there's mention of the price, and yes, this is 15 ml of product for 190 rupees. So yes, comparatively it's a bit costly, but yes, I'm definitely excited to try this. So the next product is also from the brand Plum, and before this, if you guys think कि अभी तक मैंने Plum के ही products दिखाए हैं, so yes, there are products from 2 brands only in this haul, and that is Mamaearth and Plum. Like yes, I got some exciting products that I have been wanting to try since long, so मैंने सोचा why not like get their smaller variants and versions and try them first in order to buy a fuller variant. So the next product is basically from their E-Luminance range, and it's their cleansing balm. So this is how the tub looks like. It is from this, and it's a really small tub. It's like let me tell you the quantity. Yeah, it's 10 gram of product, and it's for 99 rupees only. Like ये जब launch हुआ था, इस पे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा like everybody said कि Clinique के comparable है ये and what not. So I really wanted to try this. It has this protective cap sort of a thingy so that it's not messy. And this is how the consistency looks like. It's like a balm sort of a thing which you have to just scoop it out and rub between the palms, and just apply on the face, and the makeup will melt. So yes, I am really looking forward to try this. So the next product is basically a freebie that they give to every customer, and you can choose among the various combos that are available. So that time I had this combo available which was from the brand Mamaearth. Yes. So first is their Upton face mask. So this is how the tube looks like, and I have tried this earlier as well, and I have the larger tub of it already, and I definitely liked it. So I got this like traveling ke time pe. Abhi to nahi, yes, but yes, it would be really great while traveling. And the second thing in this combo was this onion hair mask, and this I haven't tried, but I've tried their hair mask. Like I have tried their argan hair mask, and I really liked that as well, so I wanted to give this range as well a try, like the onion range. So yes, these are pretty much the 2 freebies, and both of them retail, like the MRP is written rupees 99, and I suppose the quantity would also be same. Yes, both are 25 gram of product. So these were the freebie. Oh no, there was one more thing. I got this pouch also free, and it is a really pretty turquoise mint green, sort of a, not mint green, but yes, turquoise color, and yes, it matches with my nail paint. But anyways, this is how the pouch looks like, and this also I got free with both the like these Mamaearth products. So it's like pretty spacious. You can keep like daily wear ka thoda bahut saman and makeup. Like if you are traveling, it would be really good, and it's not of that cheap ya fir waisa quality which you will not like, but it's like very sturdy. The zip is also fine, and yes, it's like really good. So the second last item is from the brand Plum. Like I should stop saying brands. So the next product is from their again body loving range, and it's a gel body scrub. So this is how the tub looks like, and this is how the top thing looks like, and the name is really interesting and different. It's like driving me cherry. So yes, let me tell you कि इनकी जो body range है इसमें काफ़ी interesting और amazing इन्होंने naming follow की है. So this is how it is. Like एक protective cap sort of a thing है. Oh, it has beads यार. मतलब it smells sort of cherries only. So this is like, if I not drop it, let me show you the consistency. This is how it looks like, and it has like colored beads, blue, red. On the cap you can see. It's smelling like cherries and it's amazing. So I'm definitely excited to try this. And इनकी जो body range है वो काफी like face range की तो मैं fan हूँ ही. I have used their multiple products like face mist, toner and masks and whatnot. Like I have used, but body range I suppose I'm trying for the first time only. Yes, I haven't purchased their body range until now. But yes, I'm really excited to try this as well. And yes, if I have by chance forgotten to tell कि जितने भी products मैंने लिए हैं वो सारे ही 1 trial points के हैं. So like 6 trial points, 6 products and the additional were the freebies. So moving forward with the last product, and it's a mattifying moisturizer that like I have a combination skin, you already know. So it's like really good for my skin type. So it's a mattifying moisturizer again from the brand Plum, and this is how the tube looks like. So yes, it's their green tea mattifying moisturizer, and if you not already know, I'm fan of their green tea range because it's very suitable for my skin type. So this one retails for 150 rupees and it's a 15 ml thing. Let me just see. Yes, typical green tea range smell. So yes, mattifying moisturizers I like a lot, and I've been meaning to try this as well. Like मैं लेने ही वाली थी the bigger version of this, क्योंकि the simple moisturizer like it's about to finish and I wanted to try some other moisturizer. So by chance only I got this. So yes, that was pretty much it about this Smytten haul, and hope आपको ये वाला haul भी उतना ही पसंद आएगा जितना आपको last वाला पसंद आया है, and hope it would have been helpful in some way or the other. And if you like this, you already know the drill by now. You have to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So yes, meet you next week with yet another amazing video, and until then, stay home, stay safe and take care. Bye.